Welcome to my YouTube channel. I say men of all Chas. I want to briefly discuss what I discussed with one of the law students this morning. He was actually telling me that I should introduce myself. You're a doctor now, you're a founder of this, you're editor of African Law Journal. Please, I'm not saying that, I don't want to say that, I don't want to put my title. I told you anything, my prefix, my title, I don't put it. I always go straight to the point and say my name. My name is my name. Title is good, but it's not for this lecture. You say it to upgrade or do one to another. So here we shall be discussing about fair hearing. When you talk about fair hearing, talk about giving people the audience, allowing people to say something. And we have some principles of fair hearing in law. When we talk about principles of fair hearing, talk about nemo juris casus sua, which means you cannot be a judge of your own case, and order tarampatem, which means hear from both sides. That means in this natural justice topic, which is fair hearing, once anyone commits an offense, it means that you will ask the person what happened. Even if they have already alleged that the person maybe has stolen anything, ask the person what happened, how did it happen. That is fair hearing we are talking about. If you don't convict someone, maybe even in your office, anywhere you are, or assume without asking the person, that is important of fair hearing. Court doesn't joke with it. Go and check the case of Garuba versus University of Maiduguri. One for reasons versus Nnamdi Azikiwe University. All these are cases of fair hearing. For instance, these two cases I mentioned now were the case of where a student actually involved himself in exam malpractice. But could you believe that after exam malpractice, which is a sin and is as an offense, it was turned against the university because of what? Fair hearing. Consequences of fair hearing, court doesn't joke with it. Why did the court frown at the university was that the person that caught Garuba, to be precise, was a deputy VC. Deputy VC was one of the mediators. They called the Garuba. He was sitting in those panels too, judging Garuba. In the principles of fair hearing, it should be that two of them should be in dock facing each other. They should ask two of them questions. That is what it should be. Then they should defend themselves. That is what it should be. Just because the fair hearing principles was not adhered, that was why I court frown at it. So fair hearing is very important. If you look at our constitution, if you look at the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended, you go to section 36, you will see fair hearing. Fair hearing is very important. If you go to natural justice, you see fair hearing, which I have stated when I started this lecture. So urge everyone in your office, in your exam hall, in your anywhere you are, to adhere to fair hearing principle. It is very important. Court doesn't joke with it for your own good though. So thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. I say remain Chukwunoso Charles for the icon. Please thank you. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.